If you want to add newly downloaded apps on iPhone home screen in iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I'll show you how. So usually if you install the apps on App Store, but here you can't find the app, means you can find the app on App Library. So you need to move the app to home screen. So for already installed apps, you just came to App Library. For example, this app. Here you can't see that app. So you just need to long press and add to home screen. Now it's added. It's for already installed apps. For new or upcoming apps, so you just need to head to settings and scroll down and home screen and app library, and you need to select this to add to home screen. So after this, if you installed any app on App Store, it will automatically visible on the home screen. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, you need to watch this video.